What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you can get the information you need in the first 60 seconds or thereabouts. And if you want more information, you can stick around for a step-by-step tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to create a list from another list. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work.
Okay, let's get the timer. First thing you're going to do is go to your home page. Click that new button and you're going to say new list. From there you're going to get to choose between blank list, from Excel, from existing list. Go existing list. Now you're going to find the list that you want. You can select from all different sorts of sites and stuffs. I'm going to go here and we're going to choose this list to create a copy of it on my current site. We're going to call it press contacts copy, and then we'll say create, and boom, we just did it. Whether we made it in 60 seconds or not remains to be seen. If we made it in 60 seconds, let us know in the comments. If we didn't, well, sorry. Okay, so now let's slow it down a little bit and talk about this super cool feature that's been out for a while. Before we do that though, let me take a moment to give a big, humongous shout out to everyone who's watching, who's watched in the past, liking, subscribing, and all that jazz. And if you haven't had a chance to like, subscribe, do that now. So like over there or there, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can know as soon as new content is available. So let's look at it step by step and talk about this feature in detail. So this is something that you can do in modern SharePoint. If you're using classic sites, it is not going to work for you. So sorry. So modern SharePoint, when you are creating a new list, and there's about 8,000 ways to create a new list. However, SharePoint's made it super easy if you stick to this one concept. Just go home. Just go home. And if you wonder where home is, it's the square with the logo or the name of the site. That's how you get home. So we go home and we fire off a new thingy. Now here we can choose from all different types of new thingies we want to create in the site. Our thingy is a list. So we're going to click on list, and then we got some choices and we got templates. So if you see something here you want more stuff on, you want to go more in depth, let me know in the comments and we will do it. So we can do a blank list that's starting from scratch, from Excel, from existing lists. Now let's go back a little bit here and let's say you were in the site. I gotta figure out what site that was in. Okay, we're gonna go back to the site where the list lives that I want to copy to my existing customer demo hub site. And to get there, I'm just gonna go here to the home, and then we got it was in this site. And if I go to site contents, I can see it was press contacts. So let's say, playing around here, I'm like, I want the same structure in my other site. So I go to my other site, okay? I go to my other site where I want the new list to live, and we go to the home page, which we're here, and we say new list, and then we're gonna choose from existing, and then we have an opportunity to search through sites. Select a team or site. And so in this case, I chose the Carolina Mike site, and I wanted the press contacts list. One thing I think to keep in mind is that if your source list uses lookup columns, this doesn't work. Now I haven't tested out to see what happens if I copy the lookup column first, but just know that that is a slight gotcha. And then we'll say next, and then we can rename it or keep it the same name. I suggest you rename it. We'll go, wow, you can put a description, have it show in the nav. Again, it just depends on what you want or what your customer wants as to whether you go with show it in the site nav or not. If you always do this, then your site nav is going to get pretty messy. And in this case, we're gonna leave it because, hey, we like messy here on this channel. And there you go. We've got a copy of that structure. The only thing missing would be the list item. So there you go. I hope this helps. Let me know what you think in the comments. What types of videos do you want to see? We appreciate you. Remember, do the best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.